All right, I'm gonna quickly go over a fast fix for an old Bally that has a squirrely light socket. And one of the things that I do is, and I'll show you in a second, is I keep some small wire ties down in the bottom of the cabinet. So I'm gonna turn this on, and you'll see here in a second that, and Ballys are famous for this. So let's go to I'm gonna start a game. So you notice this, kind of hard to see on video, but it's kind of flashing a little bit. So what I want to do is I want to fix that. And of course, what you eventually want to do, let me turn that off so that noise will go away. What you eventually want to do is replace it, and I can show you on the bottom here. Hold on a second, I'll raise the play field and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, we got the play field up. And as you can see, I've replaced this particular socket with a newer type socket. If I'm going to replace a socket, I don't put these Bayonet styles in. I'll put in one of the newer styles and just make sure I match the LED bulb so you can't see a difference in color or whatever. But sometimes in the field, you'll find out, you know, if you got a machine that's out for public play, you need to fix one really quick where the light's not staying steady. And one of the ways I found to do that is to just keep you some of these small wire ties in the bottom of the cabinet. And when you have one that will not stay lit, you take this wire tie and just wrap it around the bracket and then the bulb itself, and just kind of pull it snug, and then turn, you know, kind of turn the bottom part of the bayonet if it's not too tight. Kind of turn it until you get a solid connection that's not starting to get, you know, kind of flash on and off, flicker whenever you slap on the play field. Find that's kind of a sweet spot, and you can at least use that until you can come in later and replace it with one of these types or a new bayonet. I just don't like the bayonet at all, because I've actually replaced some of these with the same type and then still had the same issue out of them. So I just like these a lot better. They're far more reliable. I went ahead and lifted the play field the rest of the way up. So now you can see I've got this around. Now I won't have to worry about vibration shutting that, making that bulb flicker, and then later I can come back and throw in a good socket. That's it.